actually not too bad. See if I can moonwalk from here. Does it work? Can we try it again?
It's kind of shadowed. Wow, this is like super skateable.
It's perfect. Oh my goodness.
I'm scared though.
Why do we not have skates? Man, this could be some fun.
Over there, that's cool.
We could skate down the creek.
Juniper, be careful. Be careful. She's like, what are you talking about? It's fine.
Careful, boo-boo. It's ice.
We don't even need skates. We can just gumboot it. Oh.
We can Zamboni it with some water too.
And the squeegee.
There's one.
Good luck getting this tree out. Ah! Is it thick enough all the way around?
100%.
I've never been on ice, really.
Really?
I'm from Vancouver Island. Okay. It rains.
Yeah, it's like 8 inches thick of ice. You could drive a truck on this probably.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, this isn't very slippery here.
Oh, Katie.
What?
I'm just fucking with ya.
Don't.
How cool would it be to have a pair of ice skates right now? This would be the coolest place to skate.
Yeah.
Worst that happens is you dump your leg in the water, you know?
Yeah. It might hurt.
Okay, so let's see. Oh, that's the stuff on top. That's just top ice. See? It's top ice. And then underneath is thick. See, Katie?
Stop!
It's totally fine. That's just the ice on the top. Yeah, the only thing skating is if you're skating through here, your skate could probably chop through this area of ice through here.
Something's been walking on the snowy part.
Yeah.
I want to see what it looks like on the other side of the island. Is there a person?
Oh, this is me. I came out.
Oh my God, Greg, you always do that.
What?
You're always like, somebody was walking on our land.
It was me. Hey, boo-boo, come back. Stay away from there.
Come on, Aspen.
Get away from there. Some of it would be a little bit tough, but most of it would be fun.
Come on, Boo. Go see Greg.
Come on, boo-boo.
She's so scared. Go see Greg. Ah!
I don't want to.
Aspen.
Aspen, come on.
Yeah, she's like, I don't think so. She's so scared of the world.
It's a good thing to be scared of ice.
This is so slippery. Come on, Aspen. You can do it. Good girl.
Come on, Aspen.
Good girl. You did it. Come on, let's go. Whose prints are these? The coyote.
Coyote? Yeah. Big dog.
No, that's an ungulate.
Are you sure?
Yeah. That might be the moose, maybe?
Yeah, you can see the back. Oh man, how nice they do the skating here. You know that this is all real shallow, eh? Oh, this would be great skating. I'm just going to say it over and over and over again. Anyway. anyway, we got work to do. We got to go do this stuff.
Yeah. Well, that was a nice little surprise. It was minus 13 up at the cabin, but I think it's colder down here by the creek. It's always kind of colder down in the valley. But we are going to be working on the mill today. So Greg got a new pull cord assembly, and once he got that installed, it was not working. So we kiboshed that idea, and he actually found a brand new motor for this. So we're going to replace the motor, and hopefully the mill will be better than it is now. It's a stronger motor. So we've got most of the pieces. There was one thing he couldn't find in town, so we've ordered it, and it should be here tomorrow if Amazon can get their stuff together. It's before Christmas, so they're pretty busy over there, but hopefully we can get this mill running better than it before, and we can get some boards milled up, because that's what we really want to be doing, but we haven't been able to yet. So yeah, wish us luck.
So some of you might not know, but I bought this mill 5 years ago, and we built an entire homestead with this thing. We bought this thing used, and it had been well used as well. This old engine, even though it doesn't work, it wasn't working great when it was working, because it was tired, and we've pushed so many boards through this thing. It's definitely time for an upgrade. So we're going from this engine to a 14 horsepower engine, which is going to make a humongous difference on speed and just all around performance. So I'm really, really excited about this. I am a little nervous because it's cold out. I have limited tools for doing this, and some people on the internet say that this transition to this new motor can be a little bit tricky, but I can do anything that I put my mind to. So can Katie, and that's what we do for a living. So we're going to get this switched out. Take a peek at that. Toast. Complete toast. Squeak in here. There we go. Simple. There we go. It's a tight spot.
Yeah.
Cut this stuff off, and like in the springtime, we're gonna do a full cleanup of this thing.
Sure we are.
Sure we are, Katie.
Anybody want a motor? Oh, it's got fuel in it.
Yeah, it's got fuel in it. We can still use it. But...
There's the instructions.
We'll keep them. So I'm trying to pull this pulley off, and I don't really have the right tools to pull it off. I do have the right tool somewhere, but where is that? That's a good question. And I don't know if I want to spend half the day looking for it. And I have one on order to pick up tomorrow, so I might just leave this on for now. If the new one doesn't fit, this one should fit. So cross that road when I get there. This thing's way bigger.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's see what we got here. Holy mackerel, that's way bigger. It's like over twice this, well, maybe twice the size. We'll see. Oh my goodness. Okay, from the bottom, we got 5.
So it needs to be lower.
So it needs to be lower.
So we asked AI to figure this out and tell us what to buy. And once again, the human brain is better than AI.
Well, we'll see.
This is way bigger. The I don't know what you call this thing where the pulley goes, is
Shaft.
bigger than the old engine. And
Just by a bit. I don't think
where
that's an issue.
where it sits on the mill, it has to fit through a hole. So this should be interesting.
Let's see how it goes. Yeah, right. There's no way. If I extend this above here, there's a way. I'm gonna just hold this here. Let me just see how much I got. There's no way. It's like I'd have to modify this here because this is way too high. Man, bugger. How come? Bums me out. It's supposed to be an easy replacement. Okay, let me cut it. No. It is awfully Canadian here today. We're feeling it. We are trying to keep the cows' water from freezing. We are now full winter. I got digits. Okay. Oh, that works perfect. I think we ought to bring that generator up today too. Mm-hmm.
So you've seen us getting water for the cows from the beach, but the creek has pretty much frozen up except for some little holes. So we've been able to go out into the middle of the creek and dip the bucket in the hole, and it's kind of perfect actually. It's easier than the beach because we didn't want to fall into the water, into the deep water. But this ice is so thick now that it's nothing. So that's what we're doing. I know you guys have seen us watering the cows a million times now, but not in a snowstorm like this.
Oh, look behind you.
The ravens.
Yeah. It's so quiet.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
So much snow.
Yeah, just wait. 10 centimeters is a lot more than what you're looking at right here.
Yeah.
It's dumping. Look at that. Could it get any easier than that? It's like this hole was meant for dipping buckets in.
I can't carry those up a hill.
I know, it's okay. It's still tough, Katie. Even though I'm not as tough as I used to be.
So we finally just got a 250 watt stock tank de-icer, so it keeps their water from freezing. And then we've got a couple power stations that we're just swapping out. Power stations don't like to charge when it's below zero, so we have to bring it in the house for a little bit, let it warm up, and then get it charging, and then before bed we'll swap it out. It's not too cold in the daytime, like it's -5 right now. It's probably not going to warm up too much today, but really overnight when it gets to -16 or so is when the whole tank of water freezes, not quite solid but pretty close, and then we have to kind of remove that and refill. But if we are keeping it from freezing overnight, then we can just get less buckets of water to refill the tank. So it's a little bit less work. So if we can run the power station overnight, that's the best thing.
Listen to that raven.
He's saying thanks for the protein tub.
Yeah, the cows aren't eating it.
We got a protein supplement for the cows and they don't seem to like it. It was $250, and we've noticed the ravens are hanging out at the cow shelter where the protein tub is. So you can't see him? He's on the top of the tree over there.
Oh, there you are. Hi. There's something just way more beautiful about a bird flying in a blizzard. I don't know what it is. Good.
You're all snowy. You're all covered in snow. You were out in the snow, weren't you?
They'll be happy about this. Yeah, they'll be happy about that. Wow, that's nice looking grass.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff, isn't it? I'm gonna look at how far we've come, hey?
-30 this morning. So I'm just bringing warm water out to everyone. It's -13 in the chicken coop. There you go. So I don't think anyone's going to be leaving today. I gave them some chicken scratch with corn in it, and the corn actually creates a lot of heat when they're digesting it, so yeah, I gave some to them. There's a couple birds that are out in the tube. Oh, it's skint on the corn, but I can see the weasel was sniffing about last night. So he seems to come out at night. I don't know. I don't think he's getting anyone because I'm not noticing anyone's gone. And I always let the dogs out really early, so yeah, it's kind of annoying that he's sniffing around, but it is what it is, I guess. We just gotta be careful. Oh my God. You guys okay in there? You should go in the house. Hey, you should go in the house. So, chickens are all sorted out. Beautiful morning. Hi guys! Here's some water. Look, you got icicles on your whiskers, man. Lucy! Are you cold? Why aren't you in the puddle? Come here, Lucy. You got ice on the side of your face. Hey, fat boy. Steve and Lily are comfy as can be. How come you aren't down there anymore? We're gonna have our coffees and then go check on the cows. We're not too sure what temperature their water de-icer works to. Certainly not minus 30. And actually the power station is powering it, so we're gonna head down and get them all figured out. They probably need a fresh bale as well. We need to pick up some round bales, so they're just eating the goat hay for now. But just a beautiful day. December 27th. Closing out the year with a cold snap.
Supposed to go up to 2 in 2 days. Isn't that crazy?
So we've got 4 degrees under the house, 0 in the power shed, minus 14 in the chicken coop, and 14 right at the window here. They're all frosty.
Frosty cows. Holy man. Jeez. I don't even know. Why is that so hard? There we go. Yeah, cold climate technology, my ass. I'm not impressed with this thing. And it's a Honda.
Well, every Honda has been great, and then we buy one and it sucks.
Garbage. That being said, it was minus like 30 down here last night.
Hi, girls! You're all frosted! Look at you! You're a little icicle girl. Hey? You're all frosted. Oh, come on, don't be so dramatic. Don't be so dramatic. What a stunning day. Ugh. Cold is good. It means there's no clouds. The sun can come out. We can spend little short stints outside, and then we can go inside and enjoy a nice hot coffee or tea. It's good. There's so much ice buildup on the falls, it looks like the water level has come up. It's kind of crazy. And then there's this beautiful steam coming off the creek in the sunshine. I don't really know where I can step. Wow, that is so cool. Aspen, do you like the cold? Do you like the cold, Aspen? Do you like it? Are you warm? Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Juniper. Come on, guys. I wanted to come check on the well. I checked on it a little while ago when it wasn't quite this cold, and it was fine, but since we got so cold last night, I'm curious to see how it looks. I'm sure that snow's some good insulation. Oh my gosh, check this out. That's not even frozen. That is full to the brim. No, not a speck of ice. How about that? That's so cool. Nothing to worry about. Where are you going? Mud! All right, I thought that there would be ice on the top, but nothing. That's awesome. Great news. Don't eat the whole treetop, Juniper. Don't eat the whole treetop, man. We need those. Come on, Guts. You getting the worms? All right, we're back at the mill. We've got a new smaller engine that we're going to try and get on the mill today, but we got a lot of snow over the last few days, and we need to get it out of the way so we can move around here a little bit better. So we're going to start shoveling. So it didn't film very well, but the engine that we got, we used AI to tell us what we needed to buy, and it suggested this one engine, and once we pulled it out of the box, it was way too big. And I know that some people have made it work. They've kind of moved the exhaust stuff around so that it fit better, because the exhaust was butting up against one of the posts there. So we don't have the tools or the setup to be moving mufflers and exhaust things around, so we decided we'll just return that engine. We didn't use it yet, we just pulled it out of the box, put it back in. So we got a smaller version, which is pretty much the same size as what was on the mill. We were hoping to get a bigger engine so that we could mill faster, but not gonna happen that way. Maybe this new fresh engine will be a little bit stronger than the old one. Fingers crossed. I don't know anything about engines and how they work, so I could be way out to lunch, but we're gonna get it hooked up. So cross your fingers and hope that this works. We wanna get some milling going so that we can have lumber to build and do the siding and window trim and all that. So fingers crossed.
You want me to get it? Not a lot of extra room in those boxes, eh?
No.
Here, I'll put... There we go. That looks a little bit more the size that we need, hey? You know what? I probably need to go get my Allen keys because I don't know if I can tap that in. Yeah, it's just popping that key out and I'm messing stuff up. Okay, I gotta go grab some tools. So, ooh, I gotta bring it out a bit. That's okay. I think that'll be okay. There, we'll see how that works. I can still tighten it. It's still on there good. There. Oh, my wet hand sticks to the metal right now. Well, I knew that would fit pretty good there. There's actually two mounting holes. There's two sets of mounting holes because, so I think I can actually set it back a bit here too.
We're gonna have to paint the mill blue or the engine orange. This is looking pretty goofy right now.
Katie, it's just gotta work, that's all. Just has to work. God. Doing this stuff in the winter is such a hassle. There we go, okay. Okay. It's a little loose right now.
Is it half an inch too loose?
But what happens when you put the blade on here is it holds this down. You know what? It might be too low because the other one's larger.
Mm-hmm.
We got to get a different pulley.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. This bolts. All we got to do is get a different pulley.
Oh, don't get too excited yet.
Well, I'm just trying to think of what else. Oh, this is going to be an issue right here. So I got to figure that out. But yeah, I got to figure that out. It's going to hit for sure. This is the trickiest one.
Front?
Mm-hmm. You get it on and I'll spin it. So is it on?
No.
Okay. You just hold it and I'll spin.
Okay, just hold on. I'm not even close.
No, off. Okay. Best you can do with power. Here's another crush washer. And here's another nut.
This one's the hard one.
Is that?
Because I need these to move together.
More? I guess we should have been taking video, but Katie and I'll get like 5 minutes worth of work done and then we'll go warm our fingers because it is frigid. And Katie's thumbs are in much better shape than mine are right now. And this is the fimbly stuff she's dealing with. Does it help if I take video?
It's fine.
You know what? I can get a shorter 13 and we can just put it on. Might have to do that.
Just barely reach. What's a shorter 13?
See this? It's a deep socket. I'll just get a shorter socket. I'm pretty sure I got one kicking around here. And then you can just put it in with it. I like your tenacity, Katie.
If I can balance them.
There's many things that I have patience for. This is the least of which. This kind of stuff. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're amazing. You got enough warmth in your fingers for one more?
Try.
The suspense is literally killing me right now.
Did that truck just lock?
No, it's open. It's just this ice shifting on it. You got it on?
I don't know. It's threaded properly. It might not be threaded properly.
There's one. Holy mackerel. That is...
Do you need me to pull the handle?
Nope. Nope. I just gotta mess around a little bit. That's two. Nice, the crush washers. There, that's three. And then this one you weren't sure of.
Oh,
We're in business.
Back to the fire.
Back to the fire. Hail Mary, full of grace. Oh, I hope, you know. I really hope.
So this pulley we got is 3.5 and it's a 4-inch on the old motor. So we're not sure if that's going to be a problem or not. It's something we can switch out, but...
It's something we can switch out, and it's easy, but I'm hoping that it all works out, because it's a different motor, and it's a little bit different. It's actually quite a bit different aligned in here. It's tighter. Look at where it is.
Because it's to the side
Because
more.
I moved it back. So it might be all right, because that belt's actually really good on there. This might be okay. But these wheels are still in the same spot, so everything should be the same. Oh, I'm optimistic.
Is that on enough?
Yeah, it is. Actually, no, I gotta mess around a little bit, but there we go. Does it have oil in it already?
It shouldn't.
No, it shouldn't.
Because they asked when we returned the other one if it was...
There's a pinch of oil in it.
That might be just grease from the ring.
Oh, man. Come on.
Oh, it doesn't fit.
You can hold it. Or I'll hold it here. Just hang tight. Not sure your gloves get not dirty. It's gonna drip a little bit.
Stupid. Not the right funnel.
Not the right funnel. But I'm not going to get the right funnel right now. It's the right now funnel. There. I wouldn't imagine it takes much more than that, to be honest. We'll see. Only by a couple cc, but holy mackerel. Who put that on in the factory? Only by a couple cc, so we'll see how strong it actually is. Hopefully today. I'm really excited about this. I've had a lot of turmoil recently with this stuff, and I just want to mill. That's all I can really do right now. It's winter time. I just want to mill. And the choke is on. That's on.
Oh, you gotta put the lid on.
Oh my goodness.
Greg.
It's it's what I don't do.
I know.
I know you know. Because we've had to replace how many lids now on the tractor? 2, I think. Oh, this recoil's all spinny. It's weird.
Why?
It's just a pulley. We just got to get a different pulley, okay? Let's take a look.
I wonder if we need a bigger one, like 5 or something, 4.5.
We'll get 2, just in case. Just in case, because
it just came off.
It just came off.
Because when you disengage it, it goes loose.
I wonder how to fix that, because I didn't have that issue in the last one, but it was perfect. You know, it was the way it was supposed to be. I should probably let that engine run for a minute too. And
it smells new. You want to start it like this? Half engaged? I'll stand to the side.
Yeah, please do.
The vibration has the belt going off.
Yeah, it's just not, you can tell, it's just not the right size. See?
Well, we're one step closer.
Yeah, we're one step closer.
Can you change that pulley without taking the whole engine off?
Yes. Yeah, I can get my key in there.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, no kidding. Yeah. Bolt. Look down there.
All right, I think we found a solution to the pulley problem. Greg said there's a bolt he can use to set where it disengages, so that, because the way it is right now, it goes too far to disengage and the belt just vibrates off. But if he sets this bolt to a different spot, it will just disengage and stop at that point where the belt can't vibrate off. But he's going to try and do one cut.
I'm really excited.
See if this engine is better than the old one.
Yeah, it is what it is now. If it's better, whatever. If it's worse, we're still using it. We're all in. No.
What's it doing?
Well, because we got the wrong size pulley on, it's not getting enough pressure this way when I engage the clutch. So the only answer is get a larger pulley.
Okay.
It is what it is. And in fact, we'll get 2 sizes just in case one doesn't work, because that's a 4, and maybe we'll get a 4.5 just in case.
And that smaller belt we got is probably way too small.
Oh, we're taking it back. Yeah, for sure. I've got actually a spare belt and everything for here, but they don't make them anymore for this old mill. Well, I'm sure I can find another V belt like this, but this one's specific for this mill, so I want to use these until I can't use them. But you know what? This is a success.
One step closer.
One step closer, yeah.
Well, now let's go inside because it's cold.
Okay.
The wind is picking up and it's cold. So I think it's time to go in for lunch.
Well, we did go home for lunch and we had to take care of the goats and take care of the dogs, and life got on top of us for the afternoon, but we were greeted with an incredible sunset.
Yeah, what a way to end 2025. I can't believe we made it.
We made it.
It's been a crazy year, and we really just wish you all the happiest new year. I hope all of your dreams and wishes come true in 2026. And thank you so much for spending 2025 with us and supporting us.
It's been a huge year for us. We've taken a step into the unknown incredibly this year, as you guys know. And as you can see by the footage in front of you, it was totally worth it. All of it was worth it. And even though we had some mishaps, a couple hiccups in the year, we've done such a good job together working to build our home, which is humongous and is everything that we wanted. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much for watching our videos, and enjoy the rest of this incredible sunset that we have, and best of luck in 2026. We'll see you next year.